Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Docker on Windows 11. Open a browser, type Docker, and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears, Install Docker Desktop. Now click on Docker Desktop for Windows. The download will start. After the download is complete, open the file. A pop-up window will appear. Click OK. Now the installation will start. After the installation is completed, click Close and restart. In my case, I am getting only Close because I have previously installed Docker. It will restart your machine. Now go to Start, type Docker, and open it. You will see a service agreement. Accept it. Now click Skip, then click Skip again, and it will start your Docker engine. That's it. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to this channel.